Hi traders, this is a daily forecast on pound dollar. Today is Wednesday, October 27. This video is brought to you by Finteria Markets. Please visit our website for more information about our company. You will find lots of analytical tools, educational materials, and online courses, as well as all information on the trading conditions. We offer one of the best spreads in the market. Our spread on Eurodollar is below 0.1 pip most of the time. So let's start our analysis. I'm going to use the widget which is called currency strength, and we're going to pay more attention to the performance of pound and dollar. First of all, let's check the last 24 hours. We see, first of all, the volatilities are very low. The strongest currency gained just 0.2%. It's the Australian dollar. And the weakest currency, the Japanese yen, lost just 0.13%. We can also switch to the last 5 days and also check what are the volatilities. And once again, their volatilities are pretty small. You can see lines crossing each other multiple times. The British pound lost just 0.14%, while the US dollar lost 0.4%. But generally, we can say the market is really flat. I mentioned this before in my previous videos that these 2 weeks are very special. It's going to be very hard to predict the Forex market. There are a lot of central bank meetings happening this week and later next week. So it's going to be very choppy. We will see a lot of unidirectional movements. I think that the main volatility will start to increase as of the middle of the next week, when we will have FOMC meeting and the meeting of Bank of England. Especially the meeting of the Bank of England can actually provide new direction for the pound. So right now the market is expecting 5 interest rate hikes till December 2022. So this is already very, very hawkish. And the main issue is that the Bank of England is hiking for bad reasons, not for good reasons, like, for example, seeing a really strong growth in the economy, but for bad reasons because they have a lot of inflation. At the same time, the economy didn't fully recover from COVID. So this is generally considered not a really strong signal, especially taking into account that they are planning to make 5 hikes according to the market expectations. So that's why we may see some disappointment from the market. The central bankers can talk the markets in a specific way, and they can be less hawkish than the market expects. So I think that that's why potentially the pound can actually fall after the meeting, so basically after November 4th. So let's switch to the charts and conduct a technical analysis. So first of all, on the daily level, I would mention that we have some important levels right here. So first of all, I would add one more level, which is 38.30. We touched this level yesterday and we didn't manage to break it. This level is coinciding with this resistance line, which is seen on the daily chart. So here I would say that we are in the status quo. You can see that there is no direction at the moment. It looks more like we're in the consolidation phase. Let's switch to the 4-hour time frame. Here we have another channel that is describing the upward movement, but in my opinion, this support line is no longer relevant. We see that the price touched this level multiple times, and if there is no any price action, it means that this line is no longer relevant. But at the same time, here we have another important level, and you can see so far we are hovering just above this level. So let me draw and show you this once again on the chart. So I'm going to change the color to yellow. So currently we see we're just above this level, which is 37.50. There were multiple touches many times, even before in the history. And usually in case when we have a breakout, we have a really strong trend. So right now we're just above this level. I would say that there is some potential to move in the higher direction because this looks more like a consolidation phase. So in my opinion, we may actually remain within this trading range. I would say that the upper band The upper limit is at 38.90. I don't think that we will go above this level before November 4th. In my opinion, the market will be still more focusing on the just waiting and probably squaring some of their positions, and squaring can also actually cause some volatility. So I would say that the market will remain within this trading range. It's a pretty wide range, but anyway, I would expect the currency to remain here and move in different directions. So far it can be upward and downward movements. So I think that anyway, the movement will be limited by 38.90 above. So one of the potential opportunities to consider shorts from this level, or consider longs from 36.50 if it's going to happen before the meeting of Bank of England. Anyway, I'm expecting more disappointment from the market, just simply on the basis of buy rumors and sell facts. So in my opinion, we may see some mixed volatility till November 4th. And after November 4th, I would rather expect the currency move lower. So that's my vision of the market for the next week, I would say. So for today, I expect more that we'll see some range trading without any specific directions. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. You can post your comments and questions below the video if you have any. And please also subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber yet. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a nice day.